All right, let's do another problem here. It's a question here. If f of x equals 3x squared plus 8, what is f of negative 2? Okay, this here f of x just means function of x. So basically we say if in the xy plane we say y equals 3x squared plus 8, right? So y is a function of x. Y depends on x. That's why we write this f of x. We can say y equals 3z squared plus 8. In that case, we'll say y is a function of z, okay? And we can also have y equals 3k squared plus 8. In that case, we'll say y is a function of k, and then we write 3k squared plus 8. So understand the function notation. Okay, so what is the meaning of f of negative 2? Okay, what it means is wherever there is x, put negative 2. So we go in and plug in negative 2 in place of x. So it's 3 negative 2 squared plus 8. Pay attention, negative 2 all squared is 4. Remember, negative times negative is positive. This is different from negative 2 squared. This is negative 4. See, the negative is outside. This is inside the parenthesis. So this is 12 plus 8. This is 20. Okay, what about this one right here? We have g of x equals kx squared plus 8. So compare this to, let's say, f of x equals 3x squared plus 24. Okay, so here, it doesn't matter whether it's g of x or k of x. Okay, all right. So compared to this one here, as soon as we put the value of x in here, we multiply by a known value 3 and we add it to 24. The problem here is we don't know this coefficient of the x. We don't know it. Okay, so normally they will give you another information to go and find that k first, and then you can evaluate to see for the function g defined above, k is a constant and g of 4 is 8. What is g of 3? What does it mean when it says g of 4 is 3? That means when we substitute 4, which is this is the x value, this is x, this is the y. Okay, so we're going to put in wherever there is x, we put 4. Okay, so g of 4 equals 8 means g of 4 is equal to k times 4 squared plus 24. We are told this is equal to 8. So 4 squared is 16. So 16k plus 24 equals 8. And then we proceed to solve for k. So we minus 24 minus 24, right? Subtract 24 from both sides. 16k equals negative 1. And then we divide by 16 and k equals negative 1. Okay, so now we are able to write the function k equals negative 1. So we write here, except we don't write 1, so we say negative x squared. We don't say negative 1x squared in math. We just say negative x squared. The 1 is there, but it's silent, incognito. It's there, but we don't see it. Okay. All right. So now that we know what the k is, now we can go ahead and find g of 3. We will never be able to find g of 3 when we don't know what this k value is. So we go in and put up g of 3 now. G of 3 means wherever there is x, put the 3. So it's negative, and the negative is outside the x. 3 squared plus 24. We square 3, we get 9, and the negative is outside. It's negative 9 plus 4. 24 is 15. Okay, so pay attention. Negative 3 squared and negative of 3 squared. These are two different things. This is 9. This is negative 9. Okay, so here, try it. I have f of x equals ax cubed minus 9. For the function f defined above, a is a constant, and f of negative 2 equals negative 33. What is f of 2? F of 2. So you see the function here, there is a letter, there's a variable in there that we don't know. Always know that you have to know that first because before you can evaluate the next function. Okay. The next video we're going to learn about if it's a quadratic function. It's a quicker way of doing these things, but for now, know that there is a constant in there that we don't know, that we have to use information given to find it, and then we can evaluate the next one. So what did you get for this? Did you get D? F of 2 equals 15. Okay. All right. Keep on practicing. And all things being equal, what do I tell you? You shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom Leadership Academy. Have a good night. Bye bye.